Good morning, students. I hope you all have done all the previous two activities of mathematics. So, here comes the third activity. Here you can see I have written this activity is related on angles in the same segment. So, this activity explains us how angles in the same segment are equal. So, these all things you require for this activity. Three sheets of any three colors you want, any three colors you can take. Just take three A4 sheets of any three colors, one ruler, marker, pencil. This is compass, or you even say it as rounder, and this is scissor. So these all things are required for this activity. Next, what is the aim of this art integrated activity, students? It is to verify that the angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So this is the aim of this art integrated activity. Okay? So before learning how the angles in the same segment are equal, we must know what is a segment, right? So let us first study the definition of segment of a circle. So let us take one circle whose center is O and whose radius is R. Now, take any two points on the circle, say A and B, and join these 2 points with a line segment. What is this called as, students? It is called as chord of the circle. So this is nothing but chord of the circle. Now, take any different 2 points on the circle, say P and R. So you can see here we have two different points on the circle, P and R. Now you can observe, students, this chord along with these two arcs. Now here what is this called as? This APB. This is nothing but arc. This is one arc, and here one more we have ARB. This is another arc. This is smaller arc, right? Hence it is called as minor arc. And this APB, this is bigger one, bigger arc. So it is called as major arc. Now here you can see this chord along with these two arcs is dividing the circle into two parts. This is one part and this is one part. These are called as segments of a circle. So what is the definition of a segment of a circle? It is the region which is formed by a chord and an arc. Whether it might be minor arc or it might be major arc. What is major arc here? APB. And what is minor arc? ARB. So this is the chord AB. So these two regions which is formed by the chord and arcs is nothing but called as segments of the circle. Now here this is bigger region, hence it is called as major segment. So what is major segment, students? Major segment is nothing but, we'll see the definition. Here this one is bigger region, so it is called as major segment, and this is smaller region, hence it is called as minor segment. So what is minor segment definition? The segment of the circle is called minor segment if if the minor arc of the circle is a part of its boundary. Means if it is minor arc, then it will be called as minor segment. Now here segment ARB is a minor segment. This red colored region is nothing but minor segment. What is major segment? Major segment is nothing but, the segment of the circle is called major segment if the major arc of the circle is a part of its boundary. So this is major segment. It is boundary is what here? Major arc. That is nothing but boundary here. So segment APB is major segment. Okay. So we got to know what are major segment. What is a segment of a circle? It is usually formed by a chord and a arcs. And here what is major segment? That segment which is formed by the major arc is nothing but major segment, and that segment which is formed by minor arc is nothing but minor segment. Okay. So in the figure, angle, okay, this much we got to know. Next one, angles in different segments. Now we got to know segments, right? We have one minor segment, always we have one minor segment and one major segment. Now suppose if I have one angle, say APB. Suppose this is one angle APB, and another angle I have, say ARB. Are these both angle in the same segment or different segment, students? See, angle APB is in major segment and angle ARB is in minor segment. So I can say that these two angles are in different segments. So this is the meaning of the statement angle in different segments. They will be not in same segment. But if I consider this one, now you can see here angle APB and angle ARB, these both are in the same segment, correct? Which segment? They are in major segment. So these two angles, we can say that they are in the same segment. Okay, so everyone understood what is the meaning of the sentence angles in the same segment? Okay. Now, let us perform the activity. Now we got to know everything about angles, we got to know everything about segment of a circle. Angles in the same segment means what? We got to know, right? Now we need to prove that angles in the same segment will be always equal. Let us perform this activity. Okay, first step, take A4 sheet paper of any color you want, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, first you take one any colored sheet you want, and draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Next, cut the circle with the help of scissors. You cut this circle with the help of scissors. Next, take another sheet, A4 sheet paper, draw a circle of same radius 5 centimeter. Take another sheet, another any colored sheet you want, but you should have three different colored sheets. Okay, so first colored sheet you will take, you will draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter, cut that circle. Similarly, take second sheet, draw a circle again of the same radius 5 centimeter, again cut that circle. Now you can do the same way with the third colored sheet also. Take the third colored sheet, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter, cut the circle. So we have three circles of same radius 5 centimeter with different colors, right? We have three different sheets there. Now the next step, place, see, take any two circles, place one above the another. I repeat, take, now we have three circles, right? Take any two among them. Say suppose I'll take blue and suppose I'll take orange. So blue you take, keep orange circle on above of that blue circle, means two circles you keep one above the another, and mark any two points A and B with the help of marker. You have to mark, see, first I have kept here blue circle, on this I'll keep orange circle. So here I have two circles. Okay, so these are two circles. Now on this, by keeping like this, mark 2 points A and B such that A and B should be marked on both the circles at same points. Okay, A and B should be marked on both the circles. Is that clear? Once you do that, take the first circle. Now keep the second circle aside and take the first circle. Take the first circle and join chord AB. You join this chord AB. Now, take any point C on this circle, join AC and BC. Take any point C on this circle, join AC and BC. Next step, cut this angle carefully with the scissors. Cut this angle carefully with the scissors. So this is angle what? ACB. Correct? Next, take the second circle now. You have marked there also points A and B, right? Now take the second circle and join chord AB. Once you join chord AB, take another point D on this circle. Take any other point D on this circle and join AD and BD like this. Again, cut this angle carefully with the help of scissors. Okay, so this is angle ADB. So from the first circle, orange circle, we got angle ACB. From the second circle, we got angle ADB. Okay, now I told you we had another third circle, right? This is the third circle of green color. Now whatever angles you have cut, please place these angles in the same segment like this. See here, angle, this is angle ADB, this is angle ACB. Place it like this, one above the another. So this is angle ACB and that one is ADB. On the third circle, you should keep it like this. Okay, so now take out the two angles, students. Do not paste them. Okay, take out the two cutouts of angle ACB and angle ADB and place it on each other such that vertex C, you can observe here, vertex C falls on vertex D. You have to place the two angles in such a way that vertex C will fall on vertex D, means this angle will be overlapped. This angle will be overlapped, right? So what does it mean, students? Angle ACB covers angle ADB completely. So what does it mean? Angle ACB is equals to angle ADB. So actually what were these, students? These were nothing. See, what does it say? Angle ACB is equals to angle ADB. You can observe here, angle ACB is this and angle ADB is this. So are these two angles in the same segment? Of course they are in the major segment, right? So these two are angles in the same segment, and hence we have proved that these two angles are equal. So this is how you perform this activity. I hope everyone has understood. So perform this activity very well. Paste it on one paper, explain it, and then submit. Okay? Thank you all, students.